Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This month is Ramadan. It's a special month. This month is a gift from our Maker. And you know what? If somebody gives you a gift, you won't want to hear them complaining about it, would you? You don't want them to say, the gift was not good enough. It was not this, it was not that. So, in the same way, and you know I'm guilty of this myself, especially when I was just beginning out. But, you know what? This month is sometimes the hardest month to go through. You know, especially when it takes place in summer and you're in the north or southern hemisphere. You know, it takes place in summer and you're fasting for 18 plus hours. You know, me personally, I don't have trouble with the food. I know you guys are thinking, he must be hungry. No, I ain't hungry. I can go 33 days without food, so don't worry about it. I cannot stand, though, the thirst. It kills me. You know, seeing other people drink water and you're like, I need the water. You know, your tongue is dry and you need that water. You need it. You're like, I have a thirst that needs to be quenched. You know what? It's so easy in those times to complain, to say, to your co-workers who are not Muslim, I'm just fasting 18 hours. You know, sometimes we like to throw it out there with just a hint of pride. People offer you food, no, I'm just fasting. And they're like, really? You're like, yeah, I'm just fasting for 18 hours a day without food or water. And people are like, wow! And they look at you with that look and you grin to yourself like, yeah, I'm doing it. You know, this is not good. You know, Ramadan is a gift from Allah and you're complaining about it. And worse off, you're using it as a point of pride. Do not complain about how much the fast is hurting you. Try not to complain. You know, this is a gift from your Maker. And what do you think your Maker would say if you complain about it? I know it's hard. And when you get the urge to complain, do the following. Do dua. Make dua for those around you. Make dua for the Muslims who are having difficulty like you are. And then lastly, make dua for yourself. Say, Ya Allah, I'm having difficulty. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm not feeling too good. But I will strive to complete this day. For you, Allah. For you, my Rabbul Alameen. For you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I will complete this day. And remember, this is a gift from your Maker, so take every opportunity, get those good deeds. I want you to be grabbing them like there's no tomorrow. I want you to be grabbing like there's money in the air. Somebody threw money in the air and they said, free money, you'll be grabbing it, right? So I'm urging each and every one of you, grab those good deeds. Grab them like the money in the air, put them in your pocket and then smile to yourself like, I did it. Ramadan's almost coming to a close, but I did it, you know? So remember your Rabbul Alameen. I'm starting to ramble, so I'm going to cut this off now. Thanks for watching and come to goodness.